Hi, my name is Rebecca. This is Hannah. This is Remy. We're part of MYAC Advisory Council, and we're so excited to show you the library today.
Hey y'all, I'm here today with Laura Collins at the Prosper Community Library.
Hey everyone, nice to see you all, and I'm excited to share the resources we have to offer you here, so let's go check it out.
The library is so much more than just books. We even got technology. Laura, do you want to tell us a little bit more about this?
Yes, absolutely. So this is our 3D printing machine, and so patrons can submit a file of their choice of something they'd like to print and submit it to us to be printed here at the 3D printing machine, and then we notify them when it's ready for pickup. And we also offer really awesome 3D printing workshops as well.
Here at the library, the first floor is for children and the second floor is for teens and adults. Let's go check that out.
So, Miss Laura, what do you do here at the library?
Well, I'm one of the youth services librarians, so I serve youth 0 through 17, and so I assist in providing programs for teens, collection development, and digital resources.
And what would you say your favorite part of being here at the library is?
Oh, that's a hard question. It's so much fun. I would have to say programs, just because I enjoy connecting with the teens, getting to know them, which helps me get to know the community.
Now let's talk about what Prosper Library has to offer for teens. First off, we have this huge collaborative table for all your friends to come in and work on projects or homework, and also has to offer a bunch of outlets for all the charging aspects in terms of your phones and your computers. And it has a personalized phone charger spot, so all of your friends can charge up all their phones.
Yes, and to add to that, we offer a lot of great digital resources for teens, including our new Cloud Library app, which has thousands of digital titles you can download. Also, if you're into traveling and language learning, we offer Mango Languages app you can also download, and that's just one of our best apps. We have also our Aspa Vita app, catalog app. It's also one of our latest technologies. All right, and so we'd also like to share lovely spaces for reading and studying
And hanging out with all your friends.
yes, and doing homework.
There are 2 study rooms for any times you want to study in a quiet spot, or bring your friends in and hang out, as well as do homework and your projects.